and cooking. Today I'm cleaning out my freezer. I'm making room for the new beef that I'll be getting here this fall. Believe it or not, the beef that I got from my neighbor here back in September of 2019 has lasted this long. Supplemented with, you know, chicken and venison, but still a really long time and really excellent beef. Thanks to Amanda Birch, who raises really nice beef. If you're up in the Canasteo, Bath, or Southern Tier of New York area, I highly suggest that you look at buying your own from them. What I'm doing today is a tri-tip. A tri-tip is one of the tender under roasts, and I want to marinate that and grill it on the grill today, because then it comes out really yummy. And you can get away doing that and grilling a roast like this because it is a tender cut and not like some of the others that are like a top round that is more tough. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you how I do the marinade, and let's make this tri-tip up. So this is my nice tri-tip here. Of the beef that I purchased actually 2 years ago. That tri-tip is, what, almost 2 years old. Looks beautiful. I have, for the marinade, onion flakes, brown sugar, salt, pepper, lemon juice, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, oil, garlic, and Italian seasoning. I'm going to mix all these up into a bag to put our tri-tip in, and that's going to go in the fridge for overnight to marinate. And then tomorrow I'll finish it on the grill. And there's the marinade all mixed up. And into the freezer she goes until tomorrow afternoon. You can do this a minimum of 1 hour up to 24 hours. So my marinated tri-tip is ready for the grill. This will take a while because it's a lot thicker, obviously, than the steak is. Now it's just time that we have to wait. She's done. I'm going to take her off and let her rest before we slice her. Temperature is 130 to 140, depending on how you like it, medium rare to medium. And let's get her plated up, let her set. So you saw me pull it off the grill and let it rest, cut across the grain, against the grain. What I like doing with this especially, I mean, it's fine to eat it like a steak or a roast, but I like slicing it and using it on steak salads or steak sandwiches. In fact, one of my favorite things is taking Hawaiian bread or the rolls, you make little sliders, and toasting them in the oven with some pepper jack or horseradish cheese, and then beef like this on it and toasted with some whole grain mustard, spicy brown mustard. Oh man, I'm gonna have to make me some of these. I'm just they're really good. They're one of my top #1 favorite sandwiches, along with a Reuben. So anyhow, but this is a, you can see how it came out. Like I said, I did my temperature 130 to 140. That gave it the nice medium rare that I like. And oh my gosh, the marinade gives it such good flavor. Not that it had bad flavor to begin with. This is really good beef. The tri-tip is one of the really nicest cuts you can do this way on the grill. And it feeds a bunch. So anyway, that's how you do a tri-tip, marinated and grilled. Give it a shot. It's great for this time of year. You know, we're in picnic season and cookout season. It's a fun way to feed a bunch of people. So give it a shot. Try the Hawaiian bun sliders. I'm telling you, they're off the charts good. The way I told you to make them. But anyway, that's how I do a marinated grilled tri-tip. Give it a shot.